This is the final moment of truth. Carter, what do you think of your dish?
Well, it's fine. Tasty. The noodles are good.
You have to speak up a little bit louder so our
The
viewers...
noodles are good.
Anything else good?
The chicken's good. And the shrimp is amazing. Everything's good.
So is it a 2 thumbs up? Oh, tell everybody what you're eating. What did you just lay down?
A roll.
And do you like those rolls?
Yes.
How much? Okay, you can, like, okay, let me just give y'all a background on these rolls. These are, I can't think of the name of them. Do you remember the name? Anyway, they're frozen dinner yeast rolls. And he loves them. Carter actually absolutely loves them. Like, for breakfast in the mornings, instead of people liking, you know, people normally eat biscuits or toast for breakfast with their eggs and stuff like that. Carter, for breakfast, wants over easy eggs and rolls. Those rolls, right there. He loves them. So, good rolls. Do you recommend the rolls for anybody and everybody?
Mm-hmm.
And your dish is amazing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I think that's a wrap for this clip. What do you think? You want to tell everybody bye, and maybe you'll see them again another time.
Okay.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching Carter cooking us a meal, and it's named Fiona. Is that right? Fiona. The name of his amazing dish is Fiona, and he cooked it especially for us for dinner tonight. So, thank you guys for hanging out with us and sticking around and watching him do his thing. And now he's going to enjoy it, and I think I will as well. Good night.